she's still home, so.
Come on, baby, why is he on camera? Pretty face.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, I didn't mean to mess my camera. It's really bugging me that I can't get this.
How about you do this, Jack? Put the camera up and hold the cat for like a good 5-10 minutes.
I love the cat.
I'm talking about hold it, like play with it for 5-10 minutes to see how bad your allergy is.
No, I know my